50 small business lead generation ideas that actually work, and it's Rebel Video's YouTube ad strategy. Most small businesses don't have a lead problem. They have an attention problem and a clarity problem, and most of what they're doing right now is just noise. I run YouTube ads for small businesses, contractors, solar companies, law firms, Medi-spas, and what I found is simple. The businesses that win aren't doing more. They're doing just a few things the right way. So here are 50 ways to get more leads, build your brand, and actually make more money. And do it without turning into a full-time marketer. So here's how you go. You want to start with one video, not a content calendar. Open with something real, numbers, not opinions. Speak to a moment, not a demographic. It's not if this happened, it's when this happens. Put your video in front of people already watching your competitors. Target by zip code and own your area. Stop making ads. Start making useful videos. Use real people, not actors. And don't overthink your budget. $20 to $50 a day consistently continues to grow. Talk about one problem. Not your company, not your service, just one problem. Say what others avoid saying and show what happens if they wait. Use contrast. Most homes go dark. Some don't even notice. Be specific. Not save money, but what it actually costs them over time. And drop the if you're looking for language. Speak like they're already in it. And keep your tone calm. Not hype, not pressure, just clarity. Your funnel should be simple. Video, landing page, call, or form. That's it. Your page should match your video. Exactly. No guessing, no distractions, and no extras. Short form. Have a clear next step, and when someone reaches out, respond fast. That alone will separate you from most businesses. So don't sell your service, sell your method. People trust systems. Show them what others are missing. Make competitors irrelevant, not by attacking them, but by doing something different. Teach just enough to build trust and show real examples. That's where authority actually comes from. Once something works, don't change it, expand it, amplify it. Retarget people who watch your early videos and run follow-up ads. Take one idea and apply it to different services. Turn your ad into organic videos and build a small library of videos that keep working for you. This isn't complicated. Most businesses just never simplify it. It's that one clear message, that one strong video. Put it in front of the right people and let it run. If you want help doing this for your business, or you want to see what this would look like in your market, reach out to me. I'll walk you through it. I'm Joe. I don't give you any pressure. I give you clarity. And that's all we do here at Rebel Video. Find a link somewhere around this video. Book a time with me if you wish. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, whatever it is that you like to do, go ahead and do it. Let's grow your business, make more money, and have happy times doing it.